Children, the next topic is calculation of mass from mole. So, in the problem, mole would be given. You are supposed to find out the mass of the particular element. Now, calculate the mass of the following. Problem is 0.3 moles of aluminium. As I have told, mole is given in the problem. You are going to find out the mass. Atomic mass of aluminium is also given in the problem as 27. Now you see the formula. What we know is number of moles is equal to mass of aluminium divided by atomic mass of aluminium. Atomic mass of aluminium. You know, as per the problem, number of moles is equal to 0.3 moles of aluminium. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27. So, these two datas we know. We are going to find out the mass of aluminium. So, rearranging this formula, mass of aluminium is equal to number of moles into, you are bringing this atomic mass this side. So, number of moles into atomic mass of aluminium. Written. Now, mass of aluminium is equal to, what is the number of mole given in the problem? 0.3 into atomic mass of aluminium. What is that? 27. When you multiply both, you will be getting 8.1 gram. Now, next problem what we are going to see is 2.24 liter of sulfur dioxide gas at STP. Now, as we all know that liter is a unit used to measure the volume. So, volume is given. You are supposed to find out the number of moles. So, in this problem, number of moles is not given. So, first step, we are going to find out number of moles and then we are going to substitute in the formula. For finding the number of moles, we need to find one more step. Molecular mass also not given in the problem. So, you are going to find out the molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. So, when you are going to find out the molecular mass of sulfur dioxide, so what you would be doing? The number of atoms in sulfur dioxide is 1 and the number of atoms in the oxygen is 2. So, molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to atomic mass of sulfur dioxide, it is 32 plus oxygen 2 atoms, so 2 atoms into 16. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. You all know it. So, when you multiply, that also will come as 32. So, 32 plus 32, you would be getting 64. So, first step, you are finding out the molecular mass. Molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. Second step. Now, you are going to find out the number of moles. Number of moles, you know that number of moles of sulfur dioxide is given volume of any gas, that is sulfur dioxide gas is given in the problem at STP divided by molar volume of sulfur dioxide at STP. So, given volume, it is given the problem as 2.24 liters. You all know that molar volume of any gas at STP is 22.4 liters. So, substituting in the above formula, 2.24 divided by 22.4 liters, you would be getting 0.1 mole. So, second step, you have found out the number of moles. Now, we are going to find out the mass. Okay. So, as usual, number of moles is equal to mass divided by molecular mass. Mass you are going to find out. Number of moles already you have found out 0.1. Molecular mass, that also we have seen 64. So, substituting in the formula, you know this data, you are going to find out this data. So, rearranging the formula, mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass. Rearranging the formula, you will get this formula. Number of moles you have found out as 0.1, 0.1, and you have found out already the molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is 64. Substituting here, so mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to 6.4 gram you are getting. Thank you, children. Children, shall we see the next problem? 1.51 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. You know the formula for water is H2O. Now, molecular mass of water is equal to, since there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so 2 into 1 plus only 1 atom of oxygen, so 1 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So, substituting in that you would be getting 18. First step, you are going to find out number of moles. Number of moles is equal to number of molecules of water divided by Avogadro number. Number of molecules of water is given in the problem as 1.51 into 10 to the power of 23. Substituting in the formula, you know the value of Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 10 to the power of 23 and 10 to the power of 23 gets cancelled. So 1.51 divided by 6.023. You will be getting 1 divided by 4, that is 0.25 moles. Now you have found out the number of moles and you know the molecular formula. So the formula for number of moles is mass divided by molecular mass. Here mass you are going to find out. Number of moles we know that is 0.25 and molecular mass you have found out here as 18. So substituted, rearranging the formula, mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass of water. So molecular mass of water I have written the formula. Now substituting the data, 0.25 into 18, you would be getting 4.5 gram. That's all, children. Shall we see the next problem? 5 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of glucose. We are going to find out the mass of the glucose in it. So, first of all, we are going to find out the molecular mass of glucose. For that, I have written molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Molecular mass of glucose. You know that atomic mass of carbon is 12. So 6 into 12, 6 atoms are present. So 6 into 12 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 12 into 1 plus there are 6 atoms of oxygen. So 6 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So I have written and I am going to multiply all these first of all. 6 into 12 is 72. 12 into 1 is 12 and 16 into 6 is 96. Together I am adding up. When I sum up, I am getting 180 as the molecular mass of glucose. Molecular mass of glucose is 180. Now let's come to the formula. Mass of the glucose you are going to find out. What is the formula for finding out the glucose? It is nothing but molecular mass into number of particles. Since the particle is given, you would be writing for finding number of moles, number of particles divided by Avogadro number. This step is for finding out the number of moles. Number of moles into molecular mass. Number of moles into molecular mass. So 180 into number of particles, as per the problem it is 5 into 10 to the power of 23. So 180 into 5 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by, you all know that Avogadro's value 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So we have written here. After substituting, 10 to the power of 23 and 10 to the power of 23 gets cancelled. When you multiply 180 into 5, it is 900. 900 divided by 6.023. When you divide it, you would be getting 149.43 gram. So the mass of glucose is 149.43 grams. Thank you, children.